Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create coupons in Kajabi. This is a powerful feature that lets you offer discounts to your customers, helping boost sales and reward loyal subscribers. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to kajabi.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials to access your admin dashboard. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your Kajabi site, including creating promotional offers. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. If you manage multiple Kajabi sites, you'll see your site name displayed there. Click on it to ensure you've selected the correct site where you want to create your coupon. This step is important if you're running several different brands or offerings under one Kajabi account. Now shift your attention to the left-hand navigation panel. Here, click on Sales. This will expand a menu with several options related to your sales tools. From this expanded menu, select Coupons. This is the hub where you'll create and manage all your discount codes. On the coupons page, you'll notice a button labeled Get Started. Click on it and you'll be presented with two options, discount offers or cart order. For this tutorial, we're going to select Offer, which is the most common choice for creating standard discount coupons. After making your selection, click Next to proceed. You'll now be taken to the new coupon page where you'll need to fill in some key details. First, you'll choose your coupon type. You can create either single codes or bulk codes, depending on whether you want one universal coupon or multiple unique codes for different users. Next, move to the coupon details section. Here, type in your coupon code. For example, you might use something like Tutorials Lab 20 off to make it memorable and descriptive. Then select the type of discount you want to offer, either a percentage off or a fixed amount off. Fill in the remaining fields below according to your promotional strategy. Finally, you'll need to set the duration of your offer. Kajabi gives you three options: once, repeating, or forever. Choose the one that best fits your campaign. If your coupon has an expiration date, select it here to ensure it deactivates automatically when the promotion ends. Once you're satisfied with all your settings, click Continue. You'll then be directed to the coupon overview page where you can review and activate your new coupon. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.